Hi, Tando. Okay, so today we're going to talk about conjunctions. And a simple definition for conjunctions is that conjunctions are words that link, join, or connect sentences or phrases into one sentence. Okay, so conjunctions are words that link, join, or connect sentences or phrases into one sentence. Okay, so they are joining words. So, where, as we have said, that nouns are naming words, they are words that give names to things and places and people. And we said that verbs are doing words. They are words that refer to anything that you can do or anything that is an action. And we have said that adjectives are words that are used for describing. They are describing words. So adjectives are words that describe nouns. They usually tell us what a noun looks like, what a noun sounds like, and what a noun feels like. So conjunctions are words that are used to take two different sentences or two separate sentences and join them together into one sentence. So conjunctions are words that are used to take two separate phrases or two separate sentences and join them into one sentence. Okay, so any word that can join two different sentences and link them or connect them to make them into one sentence, those words are called conjunctions. So let's go look at some examples of how we would apply conjunctions into how we would basically apply conjunctions. So basically use a conjunction, a joining word, a linking word, a connecting word to join, connect, or link two separate sentences into one sentence. Let's go have a look at it. So to recap that definition again, conjunctions. So conjunctions are words that link, join, or connect sentences or phrases into one sentence. Some examples of words that are conjunctions are words such as but, so, or, because, and, yet, unless, if, nor, neither. Okay, so let's see how we can apply some of those conjunctions to join sentences together, two separate sentences together. First example, we've got two separate sentences. The first sentence is, she is tired. The second sentence is, she is still working. So how do we use a conjunction to make these two separate sentences into one sentence? I've already done it for you. She is tired, but she is still working. She is tired, one sentence. She is still working, second sentence. And we join those two sentences together using the conjunction or the joining word or the linking word or the connecting word but. She is tired, but she is still working. Next example, we start off with two sentences. She got stuck in traffic. That's the first sentence. And I forgot to number the second sentence. So there's your second sentence. It was raining. Let's read them again. First sentence, she got stuck in traffic. Second sentence, it was raining. And we will use a conjunction to join these two separate sentences together. She got stuck in traffic because it was raining. Okay, so we've taken two separate sentences. She got stuck in traffic, it was raining, and we've used the conjunction or the linking word or the joining word or the connecting word because to join, link, or connect these two sentences together. She got stuck in traffic because it was raining. Next example, our two sentences are, I will be early. Sentence number 2, I wake up on time. I will be early. I wake up on time. So the conjunction or the connecting word or the linking word is if. And we have joined the two sentences together. I will be early if I wake up on time. Okay. And our last example, the two sentences are, he is very angry. That's the first sentence. The second sentence is, he is laughing. So we have used the conjunction or the linking word or the joining word or the connecting word yet to join these two separate sentences together. He is very angry, yet he is laughing. Okay, so the conjunction yet is usually used to show contrast or two opposite two opposite things. You would expect that when somebody is angry, they would either be fighting or shouting or doing something that shows us that they are angry. But here it tells us that he is very angry, yet he is laughing. So it is showing us, it is leading us to the opposite expectation from somebody that is angry. So if somebody is angry, you would expect them to show us that they are angry by either shouting or screaming or fighting. But yet, the conjunction yet usually shows you that what is coming after it is the opposite of what you would expect. So he is very angry, yet he is laughing. That is a contrast in emotions. So somebody who's angry would not usually be laughing, but the conjunction yet allows us to give the opposite expectation after it. He is very angry, yet he is laughing. So we will recap the definition of conjunctions one more time, and then I think we'll be out of time in this video. Conjunctions are words that link, join, or connect sentences or phrases into one sentence. Some examples of conjunctions are but, so, or, because, and, yet, unless, if, nor, and neither. I hope that has helped you understand what the meaning of conjunctions is and how we use conjunctions in language. Okay. In our next video, we'll be looking more closely at the meaning of adjectives. Okay. So what are adjectives? An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more information about a noun. It describes or gives us more details about a noun, usually telling us how a noun looks, how a noun sounds, or how a noun feels. And we'll look into some examples of adjectives or describing words in our next video.